Hello everyone and welcome to Crypto Sweets channel. The price of Bitcoin has recently spiked higher here, and I thought I'll just make a quick update for anybody who is interested and see what we can find out. As you can see here, we went from about 6.2 up to 6,800 in a matter of just a few hours, and then we came back down again. So we'll see if this is more of a pump and dump, or if it's the start of something better. I mean, if this is a short-term, move higher, and that we should see higher levels after this, we should probably hold some retracements. If you take the lows here around 6.1 up to 6.8 or 6.740, and you retrace down 50% or 60. I mean, we should hold some of these levels then and rally again. Otherwise, this was just some kind of a crazy spike. Here's a guy here, last dip ever. Angelo BTC, a well-followed cryptocurrency commentator and analyst, recently broke his 1 month long Twitter hiatus. What is that? Never heard that word. To claim that Bitcoin was seeing its last dip ever, alluding to the well-read theory that crypto assets are finally starting to undergo a bottoming phase. I mean, that could very well be the case, but like we've said here, I mean, we need to, you see, we still have this kind of triangle down here, and we need to take out, if I remember correctly, it's about 7,500, and of course the higher we go, like 8.5, then you can start to say, wow, maybe it's turning around now. But for otherwise, these are just like smaller swings. Here we have from Sludge Feed, this unprecedented market action has slightly shaken investors that currently rely on the stable coin as a relative digital asset, a safe haven, driving the conversion back to Bitcoin. So apparently it might have something to do with that tether, that it went down, and the price action kind of went back to Bitcoin. It's currently unclear why the stablecoin has experienced a 5% drop, but such action would likely spook investors given the long track record of questionable activity surrounding tether. Yeah, that could be the case. And let's see here, what do they say here? Bulls defend triangle bottom again. Okay, so they're talking about this triangle. And yeah, that's what we're seeing more and more lately, that from a technical perspective, it's we're moving inside of this kind of triangle, and one day it will go either way. So we'll have to find out which way that will be. But as we can see here, if we can stay above, well, it's even lower now. Yeah, if we can stay above this 6.8 or something like that, it could be the beginning of something better on the upside. And of course, this 7.5, as we've been talking about, and then you have 8.5 after that. So those are just some things that we are looking for, right? Waiting for this, for some positive price action. And here again, CoinGap, they're talking about Bitcoin hit 7,000 in less than 2 hours, as the entire market sees a wave of bullish momentum. And so there's going to be a lot of this today, I guess. And here as well. You can see on the chart here what happened. Boom, back up there. Okay, they're talking about that as well. So it seems to be all over the place. And okay, finally, maybe some real news. Takeoff airports plenty interested in blockchain applications, study revealed. So that's kind of cool. I mean, I think that there's already some sites out, forget the name now, but like Cheap Flights or something like that, that have they already have the possibility to buy tickets with Bitcoin and other crypto currencies, and they might they might want to apply blockchain in other ways to the airport kind of situation. Let's see what they say here. Some airports are still sitting on the fence on adopting the technology. Others have begun to employ the use of blockchain technology in their operations. Brisbane, for example, here you have what were they saying? Well, they're leading the line for the adoption of the technology, as individuals traveling to Australia can now spend various cryptocurrencies at the Brisbane International Airport. In the same vein, Amsterdam Schiphol installed an ATM that lets passengers convert their euros into Bitcoin or Ethereum. Dubai took it a step further last year when it announced its intention to employ a passport-free entry into the city. It signed an agreement with UK-based blockchain startup Object Tech, who partnered with Dubai's Immigration and Visa Department to develop a solution that combines biometric verification with blockchain technology. So that's kind of cool to see that as well, that these airports are kind of applying some of these technologies. And so we shall see. I mean, this was just a quick update on the price, that maybe something is happening. We'll see where we end up today. Of course, there are other coins, other cryptocurrencies as well being drawn higher with this move, and that's nice to see for us bulls. Okay, I think that's it for now, and we'll see if there's some other news coming out or some positive things later on. Thanks, guys.